The weather just might be getting a little cooler, and fall is in the air. And now is the best time to renew your bedrooms and baths at the 2023 Labor Day sale at WestPoint Home Bed & Bath Factory Outlet. 50% off all our everyday low prices August 18th through September 5th. Now, you don't have to wait for a sale at WestPoint Home to enjoy great prices, unadvertised sales, clearance specials, or daily bargains. But for the annual Labor Day sale, WestPoint Home goes all out with the best prices on some of the best quality and most recognized national brands. Enjoy savings on all your home accessories, from sheets, blankets, pillows, and comforters to towels, washcloths, and household items. With brand names that include Southern Tide, Izod, Velux, Martex, and many, many more. It's the 50% off 2023 Labor Day sale, August 18th through September 5th at WestPoint Home Bed & Bath Factory Outlet, 1414 Main Street in downtown Chipley, Florida, just a mile north of I-10 in the Washington Square. And happy Labor Day!